welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can close tabs on your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So closing tab on your MacBook is really simple. If you have your gesture mode activated on MacBook like other MacBooks, because usually MacBook have their gesture modes on, all you can do is simply take your 4 fingers and scroll up on your mouse pad. Once you do this, you can find the tabs right above your screen. So simply select and hold the tab you want to close, and you can find the cross-like icon. Simply tap on that particular cross and that tab will be now disappeared. So you can do it with other apps as well which is not running, and this is how you can simply close all the tabs on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we will be back really soon.